Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving till the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want the mom, she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day, count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you now,
call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm with you with my women, I'm beside it. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to sell this drug. You so in love, you ain't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this straight. I had no idea.
drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving till the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want the mom, she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day, count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you now, I love you want so much better with me. I'm looking forward to my days like this.
I should've never have to feel this way, but every time I try to look and walk away, you gotta promise to let me better. Why do you get it all complicated? I should've never.
What you want out of this drug? You know I get nasty. Move right at my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm beside it. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm beside it. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to sell this drug. You so in love, you ain't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this straight. I had no idea.
Let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving till the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want the mom, she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day, count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga.
OMG. Yay! Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl C. Y'all, as y'all can see right now, I am squeezing fresh lemon on this salmon. I'm sorry y'all weren't able to see me that good because I was like in the way, but I wasn't in the way. Anyway, y'all, I hope everyone is doing good. Make sure you stop what you're doing right now. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, your girl OMG. Yay! Let's cook with C. Let's vlog with C. Let's eat with C. Y'all, I do a little bit of everything, but majority of y'all know I'm going into a different realm. You know, I'm going to a different realm, y'all. I like the mukbangs, but yeah. Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe right now. Stop what you're doing. All right, guys, right here I'm actually pan searing. Got my liquid smoke right here because it gives a different flavor. Oh my God, it gives such a different flavor, y'all, with this liquid smoke that I put on my salmon. I'm searing it right now, you know, and putting a little bit of liquid smoke. I did put some more liquid smoke. I think it was a little later on, but y'all probably didn't. I probably didn't even put it on camera. Right here, I'm trying to flip these over, y'all, because one of them already cracked. Not cracked, but broken. It broke up while I was trying to, you know, get the skin off. I don't like the skin on my salmon. If y'all are like that, like, you know, y'all saw at the beginning of the video where I just kind of just took the skin off. No big deal. These are some pretty small fillets that I got from HEB here in San Antonio, Texas. Look at that sear. Woo. What? OMG. Yay! Ugh.
I'm looking forward to more days like this. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to more days like this.
I should've never have to feel this way, but every time I try to look and walk away, you gotta run and start to let me better. Why do you get it all complicated? I should've.
I'm looking forward to more days like this. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to more days like this.
I should've never have to feel this way, but every time I try to look and walk away, you gotta run and start to let me better. Why do you get it all complicated? I should've.
What you want out of this drug? You know you're nasty. Don't ride at my house, find a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to sell this drug. You so in love, you ain't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this straight. I had no idea.
I'm looking forward to more days like this. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to more days like this.
I should've never have to feel this way, but every time I try to look and walk away, you gotta run and start to let me better. Why do you get it all complicated? I should've never.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving to the slides in both gears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want a mom, she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day, count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not.
What you want out of this drug? You know you're nasty. Don't ride at my house, find a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm
right, y'all. Of course, OMG, yay! Right here, y'all. I'm putting a little bit of Himalayan salt on here, some garlic. I seasoned up my kale chips, y'all. Shout out to Tanya Lady T on the flavor train. Shout out to her, y'all. She got me on these kale chips. So, my first time making them tonight, y'all. This is also my first time making salmon. Fun fact, yes. I wanted y'all to wait to the toward the end of the video, y'all. This is my first time making salmon on my own, y'all. On my own. On my own. Once again. Y'all, I had a little bit of a moment, but I'm putting these in the oven, and that's, you know, gonna be the end of that. I had to open it a couple of times, make sure it was spaced out or whatnot. But I hope y'all are really enjoying this, y'all. Look at this. I put a little bell peppers in there and cut that off, but here is the finished product, y'all. Oh my God, it was so good. And during my voiceover, y'all, during this whole thing, I was eating. Yes, y'all probably heard me smacking. I'm very sorry. But make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Y'all stay safe, stay blessed. Peace out.